Hello friends, pleading forms the foundation in all civil cases. In India, according to Code of Civil Procedure, its Order 6, Rule 1, pleading is defined as follows. Pleading shall mean plaint or written statement. Okay, what's the main purpose of pleading? The main purpose is to give a clear picture, the sum and substance of one's case or version to the honorable court and to the opposite party. Because once something is written or put in black and white, that is pleading, thereafter the same person cannot make a departure from it, cannot introduce a new case at the 11th hour to the surprise of the opponent. So in pleading, all material facts, cause of action, important elements are to be set out or neatly pleaded. According to Order 6, Rule 2 of Code of Civil Procedure, the pleading shall be very concise and it must state only the material facts and not the evidence in support of those material facts to prove the same. Certain paragraphs are to be made in the pleading, dates, sums, etc. should be given in figure as well as words, etc. for better clarification. Or in other words, facta probanda is to be pleaded, facta probantia need not be pleaded. Facta probanda are the major, significant, crucial facts. Facta probantia are secondary facts, the second line of facts which help to prove the facta probanda or main matter. Imagine that you are appearing for a plaintiff and your plaintiff is relying on the testament, will, executed by his father in favor of the plaintiff, bequeathing his entire property, excluding other 4 siblings of the plaintiff. The facta probanda that must come in the pleading plaint is that on such and such date, when the plaintiff's father was in sound disposing state of mind, had voluntarily executed his last testament dated in favor of the plaintiff, through which he bequeathed his entire property described in the plaintiff schedule in favor of the plaintiff. Plaintiff's father died subsequently on this particular date. Therefore, by virtue of that last testament executed by the plaintiff's father, plaintiff became absolute owner of the plaintiff schedule property. The defendants are not admitting this fact, therefore plaintiff is filing this suit for declaration of that will and consequentially to hold that plaintiff is the absolute owner of the plaintiff schedule property. That is sufficient. Why plaintiff's father executed will in favor of the plaintiff? Who are all the attesting witnesses to that will? What are all the factors which motivated or inspired plaintiff's father to make that will? Why nothing is given to the siblings of the plaintiff in that will? Those are all facta probantia that can be explained during the stage of trial or evidence. They need not be pleaded in the plaint. If they are also pleaded, the plaint will become something like a notes of argument. So pleading has to be concise, and we will discuss about characteristics of a good pleading in our next session. So suffice for the moment, in any pleading, facta probanda, material fact has to be pleaded. Secondary facts need not be pleaded. One bit aged mischievous advocate once said in a speech, the pleading should be like the skirt of a girl. It should be short enough to raise curiosity and long enough to cover the main points. That's his view. So anyway, pleading is the foundation, the basic element for building any civil case. Any civil lawyer has to be extremely careful while laying that foundation. Thank you.